Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Life of Alex W. In the last video, which was the Ulta haul, I told you guys I would come back and I would create a look using all of the new products. Now I didn't use all of the products, but I did use the Too Faced foundation, the Tarte concealer, and the Nikita Dragun palette. And this is the look that I came up with here. If you like this look, go ahead and leave me a like down below. And go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel, you know, show me some love. I am trying to jump into YouTube's algorithm, so help me out guys, come on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I've already prepped and primed my eyelids. We're going to be going in with that Born This Way Too Faced matte foundation, and I have this in the color Tiramisu. Now the concealer and the foundation that I'm using today, it really doesn't match my skin, but this is the closest that I could get without actually trying it on in the store. The concealer I'm using is Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I have this in the color Tan Deep Sand. Like I said, these colors are just one off for some reason. This color is very, very cool, so I'm going to have to go back into the store and switch this out for a different color. Using our sponge, we're just going to go in and pat that in, and if you don't want to use a sponge, feel free to use a brush or use a brush still after you've done the patting with the sponge, just to create a cleaner and more blended look. Now moving on to the eyes, we're going to be using our Nikita Dragun Palette by Morphe, and I'm just adding a transition color in right now. I use the color Shape Shifter, and I'm just applying that right underneath my brow bone, but I'm not taking it up all the way to my eyebrows. So I wanted to go for like a winged eyeliner look, but with eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking that color Nikita and just shaping that eyeshadow right into my eyelids. Now I am doing this pretty thin right now, but I will go back and add more eyeshadow, and just to make it darker and to blend it all out and make it just a little bit bigger. So stay tuned for that. Okay, now that that's blended out, I'm going to take the color Sakura, and I'm just going to place that right on top of my eyelids, pat that in right there on the inner corners of my eyelid and also in the center. And I just wanted to add just one more shade other than this dark pink and that transition color we had going on at the beginning. Now that our eyeshadow is finished and we've added powder underneath our cheeks on top of that concealer, we're going to go in with the color Azula, which is like a dark navy blue color, and just apply that underneath our waterline, under our eyes basically, and just right underneath that pink where we had that winged eyeliner look. So the pink wasn't doing enough for me, so I'm going to take Juvia's Place, the Masquerade Mini, and I'm going to add that color Geyser on top of that light pink, just to add a little bit of shimmer and a little pop to my eyelids. Okay guys, we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Now, as I said many times before, I am a neutral nude type of girl, and this was just totally out of the box for me. And you guys also know within the last video I told you blue is just not my color, but this actually worked out. This like really worked out. I really like it. Like I feel amazing right now, and the pink just kind of added, you know, a little bit of vibrance to it and just really set it off. So if you guys enjoyed this look, you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button so that you can catch more content on my channel. And until next time, you guys stay safe, stay blessed, be healthy. I will see you next time. Bye.